Bendy Plays, and today we are going to play Cover the Orange. Now, this is a game I never make or I never played this game, even though I downloaded the game. So let's play this game, and I just turned off the volume and everything because I have seen in my videos that actually how my voice doesn't come when the voice effects of the game itself comes. Like when I tried to play Warcraft, the music came, so it isn't good because nobody could hear me or nor like me. So don't worry, you guys. You could now from now onwards, you guys could comment me, but I need to figure out how to enable the comment section. So we're still figuring out. I mean, I'm still figuring out. So yeah, let's just pick you figuring the things out. Let's just go back to the video. So I actually like that those snails casually waiting for the storm to come. Oh, poor little snail. So now I get it. I know how to launch him to space. You guys are confused? This is space. This is the air, and that air thing goes to the ground, which isn't good. So I think I've learned. What? Oh, I have to do it again. Wait, am I doing an ultra speed run something? Guys, don't worry, this video is gonna be short and sweet. So if you guys forgot to like and subscribe, better like us and subscribe, or else the ink demon will keep popping up and you need a hatchet or something to defend yourself. So if you don't want that scene to happen, please like and subscribe, and you will have a very lucky day. You may also find a diamond on the ground. So if you want a diamond, a real diamond, then please like and subscribe, or else you may not find a diamond and you will find searchers everywhere around your house at the next day. So you better like. Anyways, this entire time I keep failing. Okay, so I forget it. So you guys, if you're good at cover the orange, just make a video about it. Okay, I'm very curious to see your video and your channel's name, and I'm very curious how you make your video. Well, you may think that you may be curious to make for my live stream, but as usual, like and subscribe. You may get a live stream. Do something for me, I do something for you, like that. Guys, I actually hate ads. If you guys are new to my channel, I actually hate ads a lot. Like a lot means axolotl ads. You hate axolotl ads because a lot axolotl. Okay, enough for funny jokes. Let's just be serious in the game now and serious in studies. So yeah, let's just you guys, I just keep failing this game. Okay, let's just try like this again, and as usual do like that, and I guess this will launch. No, I am actually very bad at this game. Well, I don't have any new ideas, so No, if we put it here, he'll die. So, we don't want him to die. Why does he come to the ramp? Okay. He just stays at the ramp. Which isn't good. Okay, that happens. That contraction happened like that. Let the shards to decay. No! Oh. Guys, you don't have to act like a dingus, okay? Let's be smart and not a dingus. We could not come here, which is bummer. It would actually be kind of cool if we would put a stone inside, like a stone block inside. Wow, actually that will be kind of weird. Having a stone block in a house. Thinking that you have went mining and you found stone, like a lot. It feel like that. And that's the feeling that is in your head, which is kind of weird. If you guys could think, having that feeling in your head, it's if you see somebody having an actual stone block, you must have a feeling that he works in a mine or something. Like who puts a stone block in his house? Like, do you guys, or maybe a miner? Because miner will definitely have a stone block. Wait, no, that was a bad idea. I was gonna tell that we could put the orange at a spiky ball, but my guessing was no. Or maybe like this. No, that I did this one time, I missed. So no, I couldn't. Oh, barely went in there. You guys, I'm actually bad at this game. Like you guys could see a little sulker here. Like there's a little sulker here. I could tell that this snail or this sulker will give me like what we call that, a star, yeah. Which was actually a nice idea that the creators have made. The creators of this game has made. Oh, whatever. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.
Like and subscribe.